गो।
सर बस आप एक अपना इंट्रोडक्शन और बिजनेस के बारे में आप थोड़ा सा
Okay. उसमें देखिए बोलो.
बाद में आप मुझे
So my name is Moftali Merili. Like I'm the owner of Cake Factory. Like currently we are having 5 outlets, and like I got into this field I think so maybe 8 years back when I was 18 years old.
ओह
Yeah. So बाद में like I've been to hair cutting salons. So I've got 2 salons. Then I've got a coaching class also.
और है सर
Sorry.
है सर
Yeah, hair salon. I've got one in Kalani Nagar, one in Viman Nagar. Cake factory, I've got 5 outlets. One is in Viman Nagar, Vishalwadi, Chandan Nagar, One Garden Road, and Kharadi.
और स्पेसिफिकली केक्स पे आपका बहुत ही
I started off with cakes only. Actually, I had got a franchise from Monjani that I had run for 5 years. So I got the basic experience, how to run the cake shop and everything. So from that, I went into this field. I selected the first field.
और 18 इयर्स में आपने स्टार्ट क्या किया था 18 इयर्स
Sorry.
18 इयर्स जब
I
आप
started Cake Factory when I was 18.
हो गया
So when I was, I think so, 15 years old, I had started the Monjani's franchise. It was my father's, so I was looking after it. So I had got the experience of 3 years, initial experience. So I started with this one.
हाउ मेनी इयर्स 18 से
18 से now almost 28, 10 years. Yeah.
is your business solely offline or are you on online platforms as well?
So we are online as well as offline, on both the places.
But online
But not Zomato and Swiggy. Like we do our own home deliveries because they tend to, like the commission rates are also very expensive.
Yeah.
They tend to damage also. So but maybe we wouldn't like to compromise on the service, that we part. So we have got our own delivery bike. We have got our own delivery vans.
and
So we
वो
also
थोड़ा सा
do the delivery.
and वो खुद का एक ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस रखना इज बेटर देन जोमेटो
Yeah, I feel so in the long run it's quite helpful as well.
and say my next question is
Okay.
since you started it from the age of 18 you had a lot of competitors
Right.
so how did you analyze your strengths your weaknesses and then kept your cake factory above the other cake makers?
Like there were many challenges, In the way there are many challenges. In life also we face many challenges. It's a natural process, You have to grow out of it or you just, stay within the thing. So you naturally have to grow out of it.
Okay, so you just learned everything, made mistakes, learned
Normal is that. How we just pass out the exams, You have to learn, then pass out. And same way it's with life also. You have to learn and go ahead.
Is Cake Factory only catering to walk-in customers or are we going for organizations as well? Big organizations?
No, we have got catering also. So we do provide catering services, not only to IT people.
Okay.
So बाद में like we also serve variety of snacks items also. Then we have got experience in serving live chaat counters, burgers. Like I think so the highest number we have catered 8,000 people at a time in Neon IT Park.
And how did you get the contact line? You just approached or
walk in.
Say next question
Word
is
of mouth is we had done somewhere else also. This came along as well.
next question is since you said you are not present on Zomato and Swiggy and you have your own online service. What were the challenges or
Actually,
gaps
I was there in Zomato, Swiggy, but due to their high commission rates, so but many times the cake wouldn't reach in a proper thing as and that's what then I gradually shifted it because you can't say about Swiggy, Zomato, many people are relying on that, but we need to do our own part,
But a lot of businesses are using Swiggy and Zomato as a marketing strategy or like
Right.
showing that our business is present somewhere.
So we had done the same as well. We had done Swiggy and Zomato for almost 4 years of my initial business. Then we shut it down. After the business picked up, then we started doing our own deliveries.
And were there any difficulties or gaps that you thought that would have helped? जैसे आपने ऑनलाइन स्टार्ट किया तब कोई आपके डिफिकल्टीज जो भी आए होंगे जैसे डिलीवरी में प्रॉब्लम या फिर कनेक्शन कम्युनिकेशन कस्टमर्स है
नहीं वैसा तो नहीं था. It was a smooth process.
My next question on this is, I want to know your day in a life, like running five the cake factory outlets and managing it. How does your day in a life?
Basically, my day starts by around 9 o'clock in the morning, and I get up, maybe go to the gym or maybe go for a walk. Then 10 o'clock I go to the saloon first. Then after that I go to one shop or maybe two shops. Then I go to my coaching class. Then I come here. So the day is not fixed, sir.
Okay, but it is like a hectic schedule.
It starts at around 10 o'clock in the morning up to 12 o'clock in the night.
And you are doing this since the age of 18?
18.
So what are your views on, since you said it's the new age platform, what are your views on social media as a young business owner should have its presence or his business should be up there on social media to gain more customers?
See, social media is a great way of, like you can do wonders on social media. But many businesses are very hidden, and they are doing fantastic, more than any, place discovered on social media. And so that's what each one, according to himself, he does the portrays the business.
Do you think the hidden businesses should actually go up there and showcase?
Yeah, they should definitely say, to spread a word of, their brand, and that's important. That's quite important.
Few businesses have this matrix like अगर हमारे पास 100 चीज़ें हैं हमने 80 भी sold then they consider it like a profitability और like ROI अगर इतना आया है आज के दिन का तो it is a profitability. How do you calculate your profits?
See, like our business is basically a perishable one. So for me, it's like suppose we have got 100, stocked up items. Cakes is such an item, we cannot make it on spot. We have to keep it ready. So suppose if maybe it's out of 100, 80 sell and 20 don't sell, then that's a big problem for us. So we have to somehow see, that we get everything sold out, maybe in a day or two. But we have to keep it in rotation and we have to sell mostly, 100% of the stock we have to sell to get the full profit.
And do you keep target of like one day आज का target is like we have to hit 10,000 today to season. Do you have any such target?
Yes, see, targets are also there, but with my experience, sometimes the sales achieve more than the target. Sometimes, due to see rains now, mostly it's happening in the evening as is a retail business. So the customers are not able to come. Mostly they call for home delivery. But the gradual sale, it decreases then due to the rains or, some festive comes up. Then there are monthly targets we set. Like mostly, in December or maybe January, November, the sales period are good. But again in March there's, exam time. So few months gradually the sales take a hit.
So since you said you have started this business since the age of 18, what are your mistakes or you should say learnings that you have gained over the years that you want to pass on to others? If I want to start a cake business today,
Okay.
what advice?
Nothing, just follow your passion.
Okay.
Whatever you like. See, some people, like to run around. Everybody's life is different, Somebody are much more, aggressive. They maybe start 50 cake shops together. They take funding. So everybody has got a different way of doing business.
But just like follow and do it.
See, whatever you like, sir. Like few people are just, maybe a hairstylist they are just taking appointments or maybe, bridal makeup and they are doing wonders for themselves, Just in a month they are getting, 14, 15 appointments and they are done for the month. And few people have to just, keep on going, struggle, and so it all depends, what you finally want to do.
The next question is, say, if I'm a 20-year-old wanting to start a cake business, what are your financial tips that you want to pass on?
Financial tips. See, first you have to do everything on your own. You have to know the core business very well. Like you have to know how to mix, make the cakes also, do cleaning up also, do deliveries also, everything you have to do. So I've done everything. Then slowly and steadily, then you have to pass it on. You have to pass on your work. So that's how the business runs. But you have to know the core work. Again, I know a little bit of hair cutting also. I know. बाद में you have to know the core business basically.
So बेसिक्स क्लियर होने चाहिए पूरे.
Right. Then again the financial part you have to be, like business is such, you have to be consistent. The most important key point in any successful business, you have to be consistent. That's the key to any business. Then just sit back and अरे 2 हफ्ता काम कर लिया, अभी 1 हफ्ता यार enjoy करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं रहता वो. You have to be consistent, quite consistent.
So last question. You started at 18, now you are 28.
Right.
10 years. What are your best resources that you think that help you come this long?
Best resources
As in like some guidance, or you did something and like marketing में आपका boost हो गया था.
failure. I think so.
Failures teaches you.
Failure teaches you. That's the biggest teacher, I think. Like, but you have to get up and
Yeah,
go
get up
out
and do it
again
every day.
every day. So that's the basic thing. You have to fail yourself. To achieve success, you have to fail. You have to fall down many times. Get up and just go through life. So that's the basic thing.
My questions are over, but do you think there would have been something that you thought you पूछना चाहिए था? ये question मिस हो गया. आपका
नहीं, सब clear है सर.
Thank you so much sir for your
Thank
time.
you.